If you're serious about making money online, start as an affiliate marketer. It is one of the easiest and most sustainable income sources. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online from your blog. It allows you to add a steady income stream to your blog's monetization strategy. In this affiliate marketing guide for beginners, we will explain how affiliate marketing works and how to get started right away. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and want to make money, then you can promote a product that you feel has value and earn an income from it as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products. You find a product you like, promote it to others and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Therefore, affiliate marketing can be seen as the process of spreading product creation and product marketing across different parts, where each part receives a share of the revenue according to their contribution. Why affiliate marketing is the best. 81% of brands and 84% of publishers leverage the power of affiliate marketing, a statistic that will continue to increase as affiliate marketing spending increases every year in the United States. There is a 10.1% increase in affiliate marketing spending in the United States each year, meaning that by 2020, that number will reach $6.8 billion. In 2018, content marketing costs were gauged to be 62% of traditional marketing schemes, while simultaneously generating 3 times the leads of traditional methods. In fact, 16% of all orders made online can be attributed to the impact of affiliate marketing. In March of 2017, Amazon's affiliate structure changed, offering rates of 1 to 10% of product revenue for creators, providing the opportunity for affiliates to dramatically increase their passive income based on the vertical they're selling on. Approximately 15% of all digital media industry's revenue comes from affiliate marketing. In 2015, Amazon.com revenue surpassed $100 billion. Likely at least $10 billion of it